Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the customize cutout feature to remove background from certain objects. So let's use this photo over here. I want to remove this background. So let's go to the cutout section. This is a pro feature. Go to customized, press it, select the brush, and you're going to select the object that you want to select. I'm just gonna try to do it as fast as I can. It's not that great, so just use the eraser and erase the rest. Oh, whoops, sorry. Okay, let's try that again with something else, because that's going to take me like forever to do. Let's use this cookie. Go to customize and then select the brush, and then I'm going to just make the size a little bit bigger so I can see. And I'm just going to try to get everything as fast as I can. It's not going to be neat. You can go over it a little bit neater though. And I'm just going to use the smart eraser to delete the rest, like the shadow. Select apply, and as you can see, remove the background from the cookie. And that is basically it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!